Hey guys, so I wanted to quickly stop by and show you the unboxing process when you get your onesie in the mail. So, mail has been delivered. You have your package. I'm going to quickly open up the package and take out my wrap. Order the set. So, if you have the set, you have your bow, you have your plastic knot, you have your rose, and of course you have your head wrap. I already have videos on how to style just the head wrap in your turban styles, headband, pineapple styles, whatever. I think it's like, I want to say maybe 7 or 8 different styles that you can possibly get with just the head wrap alone. And then of course you have the attachables for more looks. But just to kind of talk about the attachable pieces today, I'm gonna leave the plastic knot alone. You don't need to fluff or do anything with the plastic knot, just put it on, attach it to your wrap. But for your rose and your bow, these are going to need some fluffing. So most likely your rose will be squished because of the mail. So when you take it out of the package, it's not going to really resemble a rose, so to speak. So you're going to have to fluff it out. The petals should be folded back already when you get it, but you're just going to make some adjustments to your liking for your rose. What I typically do is I take my fingers like this, and I just, in the middle of the rose, I start rounding it out. And that starts to spread the rose open. Just rub it on out. And then I have something like this, much better. And if I want the petals to stand out a little bit more, I'll just fold them back. If that kind of, unfolded the petals, but I just fold them a little bit more. And I just make a little adjustment until I get the desired look of the flower. It's supposed to be a flower, all right? So I've been seeing some people just unfolding the roses completely. That's cool. But this is my preferred look. You know, you gotta rock your onesie how you want to. It's your head wrap. But it is supposed to resemble a rose, and I don't know if you can see that a little bit, but you need to play with it a little bit once you get it out of the package. And just like I said, take your hand like this, put it in the middle, and kind of just round it on out, and it will spread. And you can fold your petals back a little bit more if you want to, or just to, unfold it just a little bit. But that's the look that you're going for your rose. All right, so let's get to this bow. This bow, going to be squished up. Y'all, please don't just put it on like that. Don't do it. Don't do it, y'all. These bows, these have wire linings in the bows, so you can definitely adjust it to your size, your liking. If you don't want a full-on head big bow, then you don't have to spread it out so much. You could also go in between the wires and fluff it out for a more bolder effect. This is what I love to do, especially when I'm wearing my bow. But I just fluff it out, and you see right now what I did. Now, if you don't want it too big, you can squish it down a little bit, but make sure you just, you're fluffing out that bow just a little bit. If you don't want it so wide, you can bend it back a little bit. You can manipulate, don't be scared to manipulate this bow. But for me, let me just keep on fluffing it out. I like it big and bold. Now these pieces, they're not for the timid. I am, and you can mix and match. I love to mix and match my wrap sets too. This goes perfectly with my majestic wrap, but I'm wearing my majestic rose anyway. Anyway, get back on point. But yeah, you can, these pieces, they're not for the timid. They're not huge. I don't think they are, but if you don't wear head wraps on a norm, then yeah, this might not be for you. But if you wanted to wear wraps, and you've always wanted to wear wraps and you just never could conquer the styling of the head wrap, then this is definitely for you. So if you don't want people to look at you, don't wear these then. I just posted something on the Instagram page. Basically, there's a quote that said, people are going to stare, make it worth their while. And definitely, they will stare with these. Let them stare, make it worth their while. And when they ask you, how did you wrap that? It's a onesie, okay? Okay. Anyway, but yes, make sure when you get your package in the mail, you adjust your rose, you adjust your bow, you fluff it out just a little bit, just a little bit. If you want to go the max and just fluff it on all the way out, more power to you. Looks good. So just keep that in mind when you have your package, when you get your package. Fluff out your pieces and make sure you tag us on social media. Thanks for watching.